Good morning, friends. We are at It's My Stomach Kitchen, and again we are going to cook healthy breakfast for a great start of your day. Today's dish is soft spongy besan rava chilla. We need besan, rava, freshly chopped green chilies, curd. I have made it at home. Some chopped tomatoes, grated cucumber, chopped onion, ghee. You can use oil, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, sesame seeds, black pepper and cumin seeds powder, carom seeds, and some water. Let's start to cook besan rava chilla. First, we will prepare the batter. Take some besan and add some water and break the lumps. Here, we have to be very careful in adding water because in this recipe we are adding cucumber, tomatoes, onions. These all vegetables have its own water and we are adding curd also. So, we should not add all the needed water at one go. See its consistency. There aren't any lumps. It's very important and lumps don't take much time to be broken. Now, we will add the rava and all the vegetables. First, add the grated cucumbers. Now, some onions. You can also add ginger and garlic paste. Finely chopped tomatoes. Freshly chopped green chilies. Now, add the sesame seeds. Add all the other spices. Black pepper and cumin seeds powder. Carom seeds. Haldi powder. You can also add chili powder, but I am not adding. Some salt as per your taste. Now let's add the curd, which makes the chilla soft. I have prepared this curd at my home. In my next video, I will give you some tips on how to prepare a curd like this. Now, I have used 2 tablespoons of curd here. Mix all the ingredients well. Remember, we have already added some many watery vegetables and curd. So add water only if you need. We need the batter not so thick and not so watery as well. So add water accordingly. Now let's mix it well for a few more seconds. See, our batter is ready. Look at its consistency. I have already heated the tawa. Now let's apply some ghee over the tawa and then we will add 2 tablespoons full of batter on the tawa. Spread it properly round and evenly. Friends, I cook this dish at my home many times. My family loves its taste and it is healthy also. And now we will add some ghee around the chilla. I use cow ghee. Cow ghee is full of nutrients. And I have used iron tawa here. You can use non-stick pan also. And we have added a lot of curd in the batter. So we have to turn the chilla as soon as possible. Otherwise, the chilla will turn black from the bottom instead of reddish brown. So now let's turn it. And wow, look at that reddish brown color. And now we will add some ghee around the chilla again. Don't worry, diet freak friends. Cow ghee is good to be eaten in the morning. And let us check it once. Let us lift it and check it properly. Oh, it is not done. I think we should cook it for a few more seconds. Let me raise the flame. And our besan rava chilla will be ready. And I think so our besan rava chilla is ready. Yes, it is. Our besan rava chillas are ready. You can have them in the morning or as a snacks with honey, curd or ghee or any of your favorite dips.